Hey everyone, welcome back to Lenz Loop, your home for all things cameras, tech, and storytelling on the move. Today, we're diving straight into the wild world of DJI's latest creation, the Osmo Action 6. Just when we thought the Action 5 Pro had already hit peak performance, DJI said, not so fast. And wow, this one is loaded. The Action 6 is shaping up to be more than just a step forward. It's a full-on leap. We're talking smartwatch integration, massive sensor upgrades, and real-time health and performance tracking, all wrapped up in a rugged, waterproof body that's built for the bold. Whether you're hiking, diving, biking, or filming your next big adventure, this little powerhouse wants to be your ultimate sidekick. So strap in, because the Osmo Action 6 is about to change how we capture our stories, one frame at a time. Let's start with the heart of the beast, that 1-inch CMOS sensor. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a game changer for action cameras. The larger sensor size means more light, richer color depth, and far better low-light performance. We're talking 13.5 stops of dynamic range. So whether you're shooting in bright daylight or deep shadows, you're getting detail across every frame. In terms of resolution, DJI is pulling no punches. The Action 6 records 8K at 30 frames per second, delivering unmatched clarity for an action cam. Need smoother cinematic movement? You've got 5.3K at 60 frames per second. And if you're all about that slow motion magic, 4K at 120 frames per second makes every drop of water or speck of dust look like a work of art. Now, let's talk about that smartwatch integration, which might be the coolest upgrade we've ever seen in an action cam. You can now start or stop recording, switch modes, and monitor your stats directly from your wrist. Imagine running up a mountain or diving into the ocean without touching your camera once. With your Apple Watch or Garmin, you can not only control the Osmo Action 6 remotely, but also log vital data like heart rate, oxygen levels, altitude, speed, and dive depth. For Garmin users, DJI adds even more exclusive metrics like cadence and power output, turning your smartwatch into a full-blown mission dashboard. And all this data, it syncs seamlessly into your video footage in real time. So when you edit later, you're not just showing a moment, you're showing the physical story behind it. Design-wise, the Action 6 stays true to DJI's proven formula. Compact, rugged, and dual-screened, one in the front and one in the back. But look closer, and you'll notice something new. A mysterious pill-shaped component just below the front display. It's not a button or a speaker. So what is it? Speculation is running wild that it could be a gesture control pad or a new kind of environmental sensor. Whatever it is, it's definitely sparking curiosity. The overall construction feels more refined, with better grip texture, lighter materials, and improved thermal control for long recording sessions. DJI clearly took user feedback from previous models to heart, fine-tuning every corner of the design. On the connectivity front, the Osmo Action 6 brings Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 into the mix, ensuring fast file transfers and reliable wireless control. It also sports USB-C with DisplayPort support, meaning you can connect it to external displays or stream directly, a huge bonus for creators. And power-wise, DJI is rumored to include 2 battery options, one compact and one extended. That strongly suggests we'll see both a standard and a pro model, a smart move that caters to both casual users and professionals. The larger battery can reportedly push over 4 hours of 4K recording, while still maintaining solid performance in extreme environments, from minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 45 degrees Celsius. So whether you're snowboarding in the Alps or filming a desert rally, this camera won't quit before you do. The waterproofing has been upgraded too. It's now rated down to 20 meters without a housing. That's deeper than most competitors can go natively. And of course, DJI's rock-steady stabilization is back and better than ever, promising smoother, more natural footage no matter how intense your movement gets. As for the release window, DJI has been following a clear rhythm. Action 1 in 2022, Action 4 in 2023, and Action 5 Pro in 2024. So, it's almost certain that the Osmo Action 6 will drop between August and October 2025. Recent FCC filings and leaked prototype images only reinforce that timing. And judging by how polished those images look, it's safe to say the official reveal isn't far off. The combination of design refinement, hardware performance, and smartwatch control positions the Action 6 as one of the most advanced action cameras ever built. DJI clearly isn't just iterating, they're evolving. So, what does all this mean for creators and adventurers? It means DJI just redefined what's possible in a compact camera. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't just capture your journey, it becomes part of it. With smartwatch control, advanced data tracking, stunning 8K clarity, and a rugged design that's ready for anything, this might be the most exciting leap the action camera world has seen in years. As always, leaks should be taken with a grain of salt. But if history tells us anything, DJI's official reveal isn't far away. And when it happens, we'll be right here breaking it all down. If you're hyped for what's coming, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. This is Lenz Loop, reminding you to stay curious, stay creative, and keep those lenses rolling. Until next time, keep chasing the shot, and we'll see you in the next video.